Okay. 15th, 3 minus 5x, 3 minus 5x, 3 minus 5x plus 5y minus 12 into x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square. So this you can write, yes, 3 minus 5, common there it is x minus y. Minus sign I have taken outside, so inside sign will change. Minus 12 into x minus y whole square. Okay. Now what you will do? Which term is common? X minus y, x minus y. Okay. So let x minus y is equal to a. So this will become 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 minus 12a square. So this I can write minus 12a square minus 5 plus 3, which is the quadratic equation of type 1 or type 2. Type 2. Okay. So in type 2, find two numbers whose sum is minus 5. Sum is minus 5. And product is minus 12 into 3. Minus 12 into 3, that is minus 36. So what are the two terms? Minus 9 and plus 4. Minus 9 and plus 4. When you will add, you will get minus 5. When you multiply, you will get minus 36. So this we write minus 12a square, minus 12a square, minus 9a. Minus 9a plus 4a plus 3. Okay. Minus 5, middle term is split. Middle term is split. So minus 4a we write minus 9a plus 4a. Now what is common in minus 12a square and minus 9a? Minus 3a is common. Then what is left? 4a minus I have taken common. So it is plus 3 plus 1 into 4a plus 3. Now 4a plus 3 is common. 4a plus 3, 4a plus 3. So that will be 4a plus 3 into minus 3a plus 1. 1 minus 3. So 4a plus 3, 4a plus 3 into 1 minus 3a. Now put the value of a. Put a is equal to x minus y. So you will get this as 4 into x minus y plus 3 into 1 minus 3 into x minus y. So that will be 4x minus 4y plus 3 into 1 minus 3x. Then when you open the bracket, minus minus will become plus. So plus 3y. And this is the factorization. Okay, this is a factorization. Now 16th, 9x square plus 3x minus 8y minus 64y square. So whenever you see square of two terms, that you take together. Whenever you will see square of two terms, you take together and see whether it is difference of two square. Difference of two square means a square minus b square form. So whenever you will see square of two terms, you take them together by rearrangement. Surprise test 16. 9x square plus 3x, 9x square plus 3x minus 8y minus 8y minus 64y square minus, so this will be 9x square, rearrange the term 9x, this is square of two term, 9x square minus 64y square plus 3x minus 8y, I will take together. Okay. Then this 9x square you will write 3x whole square and 64y square you will write 8y whole square. Plus 3x minus 8y. Then this is difference of two square, a square minus b square. So 3x plus 8y, 3x minus 8y plus 3x minus 8y. 3x minus 8y is common. 3x minus 8y is common. So this is 3x minus 8y into bracket 3x plus 8y plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now 17 2 root 3 x square. 2 root 3 x square. 2 root 3 x square plus x minus 5 root 3. So this is the quadratic equation of type 2. Find two number whose sum is 1. X means 1. Sum is 1 and multiplication is 2 root 3 into minus 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. So that is minus 30. So find two number whose sum is 1. So plus 6 and minus 5. Plus 6 and minus 5, no. Plus 6 and minus 5. When you will add, you will get 1. When you multiply, you will get minus 30. So this we write 2 root 3 x square plus 6x x. Okay. Only black. 2 root 3 x square. 2 root 3 x square. 2 root 3 x square. So this we write 2 root 3 x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. So middle term x I have written minus 6x plus minus 5. So what is common in them? 2x is common. Then it is root 3x plus 3 minus 5 is common. Yes. Let us take root 3 also common. Let me write one more step. This I can write 2 root 3 x square. Then 6 I can write root 3 into root 3 into 2x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. Okay. 6 I have written root 3 into root 3 into 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 6. Now what is common in them? 2 root 3 x is common. Then it is x plus root 3. Then minus 5 is common. Then it is x plus root 3. X plus root 3 is common. Then what is left? 2 root 3x minus 5. And this is the answer. 2 root 3x minus 5 is the answer. So 6 I will write 3 into 2, 3 I will write root 3 into root 3, then 18, 1 by 4 a plus b whole square, 1 by 4 a plus b whole square, minus 9 by 16, 2a minus b whole square, 2a minus b whole square. So this I can write 1 by 2 a plus b whole square minus 3 by 4 2a minus b whole square I can write. Then this is of the type x square minus y square. Yes, x square minus y square, no. X square minus y square is x plus y. Yes, no problem. You can open the bracket. So that I will write. Open the bracket, it will be a by 2 plus b by 2. Yes, chalo, ठीक है. Open the bracket. So that will be a plus b, a by 2 plus b by 2 whole square minus, open the bracket, 3 into 2, you can cancel, 2 2s are 4, 3 by 2a, correct, minus 3 by 4b whole square, 3 by 4b whole square. Yes, see, 3 by 4 into 2, 2 2s are 4, no? Yes. So this will be now a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So that is a by 2 plus b by 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 3a by 2 minus 3b by 4 into a by 2 plus b by 2 minus 3a by 2, then minus minus plus 3b by 4. Now a by 2 and 3a by 2 you can add. A by 2 plus 3a by 2. Yes, a by 2 plus 3a by 2. What it will be? Hmm? 4a by 2. हाँ. So a plus a by 2 plus 3a by 2 will be 4a by 2. Let me write. b by 2 minus 3 by 1 plus b by 2 minus 3b by 4. Then a by 2 minus 3a by 2 will be a minus 3a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 3b by 4. Okay. So 4a by 2 is nothing but 2a. Now LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. So this will be multiplied by 2. So 2b by 4, 2b minus 3b by 4, and this is minus 2a by 2, minus 2a by 2, no, that is minus a. Again you will take LCM, so that will be 2b plus 3b upon 4. Okay, so this is 2a, 2b minus 3b is minus b, 2a minus b by 4, and this is minus a. Minus 2a upon 2, no? So 2 get cancelled, no? 2 get cancelled. Yes, clear? Minus 2a by 2, 2 get cancelled. So minus a plus 5b by 4. 5b by 4, and this is the answer. Is it clear? A minus 3a. Are you getting? A minus 3a will be minus 2a. Minus 2a by 2 minus a. Yes? Is it clear? Yes, clear this part, so that I can go ahead. A minus 2a, a minus 3a is minus 2a, minus 2a by 2 is minus a. Now 19th, 2 times AB plus CD, 2 times AB plus CD, AB plus CD, minus A square minus B square, minus A square minus B square, plus C square plus D square, plus C square plus D square. Yes, what you can write? Tell me. Yes, tell me what you will write. Yes, what you will write? Tell me. All of you are there in the group or not? Not giving response. You are there now, all of you. Then we open the bracket. This is 2ab plus 2cd minus a square minus b square plus c square plus d square. Now c square and plus d square I will write. See, a square and b square, in between I will write ab. C square and d square I will write 2cd. So this I will write c square plus 2cd plus d square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square. Okay? Now let us take three terms together. These three terms together. These three terms together. So this will be c plus d whole square, and this I can write minus common a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this I can write c plus d whole square minus a minus b whole square. Again x square minus y square, x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. So c plus d plus a minus b into c plus d minus a minus b. So that will be c plus d, that we can write a minus b plus c plus d, rearrange, and this I can write c plus d minus a plus b, and this is the answer. Okay. Now 20, find the value of 20, find the value of 20. It is answer, what is given? What is given? Answer will be same. When you will take LCM, my dear, again you will take LCM of A and B. Okay? Again you can take LCM of A term and B term. You will get the answer what is there behind. Okay? So you can stop there. When you will again take the LCM, you will get that answer. Okay? But you can stop there. 20, find the value of. Find the value of. You have to identify the type. Find the value of first 98, 987 square minus 13 square. 987 square minus 13 square. What is this type? So let A is equal to 987, B is equal to 13. So this becomes A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B, 987 plus 13 into 987 minus 13. 987 plus 13 is 1000. Is 1000 into 987 minus 13 is 974. 974 into 1000 is 974, then 3 zeros. This is the answer. So you have to identify the type. Whether it is A square minus B square, or A cube minus B cube, or A square plus B square, or A cube plus B cube. You have to identify the type. And what is the formula for A cube minus B cube? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. A cube plus B cube, A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Then second, 67.8 square. 67.8 square. Yes, you can directly write 32.2 whole square. Use the formula A square minus B square. So 67.8 plus 32.2 into 67.8 minus 32.2. Okay. So this is 100. 100 into 67.8. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. 35. 35.6. 35.6. We write 356. Electricity has gone. And yes. Your light is there? Your light is there. So we can continue. Okay? We can continue, no problem. But mine electricity is not there, but you can see it. Okay? So हाँ 35.6. हाँ electricity has come. So we write 35600. 356. हाँ we write 35600. Then there is decimal. After decimal one digit. So cancel 1 0. That is 3560. 3560. 3560. You can see the board, no? Yes, all of it is okay. So no problem, we'll continue. 3560 is the answer. Yesterday there was no water supply, so there was tremendous rain. Now, which problem? 6.7 square. Third one. 6.7 square minus 6.7 square minus 3.3 square. 3.3 square upon 6.7 minus 3.3. 6.7 minus 3.3. Identify the type. Yes. So in this you can write a square minus b square. That is 6.7 plus 3.3 into 6.7 minus 3.3 upon 6.7 minus 3.3. Okay. So numerator get cancelled with denominator. 6.7 minus 3.3 get cancelled. So what is left? 6.7 plus 3.3. Answer is 10. 10.0, that is 10. Answer is 10.0, that is 10. Then 18.5 square minus 6.5 square. 18.5 square minus 6.5 square. 18.5 square minus 6.5 square. 18.5 square. 18.5 square minus 6.5 square upon 18.5 plus 6.5. 18.5 plus 6.5. Again a square minus b square. So 18.5 plus 6.5 into 18.5 minus 6.5 upon 18.5 plus 6.5. 18.5 plus 6.5. Now 18.5 plus 6.5 of numerator get cancelled with denominator. So what is left? 18 minus 6.5. And that is 11.5. Answer is 11.5. So this complete factorization. Now you write one surprise test. Let me give you surprise test. How 18.5? From 18 you have to subtract. 18.5. Sorry. 18.5. 18.5 is it? Yes. 18.5 minus 6.5 will be 12. Will be 12. Yes, it is 18.5. 18.5 minus 6.5. The question it is 18.5. So write one surprise test based on this factorization. Difference of two squares, sum of two cubes, difference of two cubes, then grouping, then taking the common term. And this surprise test solution you will send me on the WhatsApp. This will be taken as your active participation. Okay. So write on this surprise test. This is second or third? Surprise test. The first. 7 root 2 x square. Factorize. It is factorize. Okay. First 7 root 2 x square. 7 root 2 x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Okay. Then second, a square 50x square minus 2 into x minus 2 whole square. Then so start solving. Do not write the question. Start solving. Then get it. Three into 2x minus y whole cube, plus 9 into 2x minus y whole square. Okay. Then fourth 98 a plus b whole square. Minus 2. 98 a plus b whole square minus 2. 98 a plus b whole square minus 2. 98 a plus b whole square minus 2. Yes. Yes. Let me see if it is possible. Yes. Correct. Go for next one. 2x minus y whole square. 2x minus y whole square minus 14x plus 7y minus 14x plus 7y minus 18. Go for solving all this. You have to solve all the problems. Then get the answer first. Then sixth one, 2a plus b whole cube. What is the second answer? So what you have done in second, you have taken 2 common, then 25x square minus x minus 2 whole square, that will be 5x square minus x minus 2 whole square. Okay, a square minus b square. Yes, very good. 2a plus b whole cube minus a plus 2b whole cube. Then seventh, x into x minus a minus y into y minus a. Then 8, 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square, 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square, 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square plus 4ab. Then 9, Start solving each one of them. 8 into 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y whole square. 8 into 3x minus 2y whole square minus 6x plus 4y, minus 6x plus 4y minus 1. Then 10th, 27 minus x cube minus x cube y cube. 27 minus x cube y cube, x cube y cube plus 6 minus 2xy, plus 6 minus 2xy. Then 11th, solve this as many as you can. Then 2 then 81x raised to 4, 81x raised to 4 minus 16y raised to 4. Start this 11 problem. And by the end you tell me how many problems you have solved. That roll number I will write, and definitely I will give some additional marks in the internal. So try as many as 10:30 I will ask how many problems you have solved. Definitely that marks I will give in the internal for active participation. And one thing all of you remember, what is that? How you have done third one, tell me. Then what is left? 2x minus y plus 3. 2x minus y plus 3. Yes, correct. That is answer. Go for this fourth one. See, this 9th standard examination, each examination you take it very seriously. Because this year, due to the corona pandemic, the ICSE board, they have asked to send the 9th standard marks also. And 9th standard marks and 10th standard marks, they are combining and giving the result for 10th standard. So we do not know when this corona pandemic will get over. So it may continue. How long time we do not have any idea. So for you also it may happen that your 9th standard marks, then next year you will go in 10th standard. This 9th standard and 10th standard marks are important. So each examination you take it very seriously. So you take your 9th standard just like the board examination, where the marks will be counted. Okay, so mainly students they focus on the 10th standard. But if your performance is not up to the mark in 9, your 10th standard result will come down. Definitely. How you have solved fourth one? So what is the answer? Very good. 2 into 7a plus 7b into 7a plus 7b minus 1. Yes, very good. Very good. So 2x minus y of type 1, type 2, type 1. Very good. So now it is 10:31. We stop here. So what is your name, roll number? What is your name and roll number? 9th B19. How many problems you solved? 5 out of 11. Okay. Anybody else is there who has solved any one? 1, 2, 3? What is your roll number? How many problems? 2 problems. Okay. 2 problems. Okay, chalo. So I will consider 3. What is your roll number? Roll number 9B18. How many? What is your roll number? Okay. So now, so you do one thing. You do one thing. All of you send me the solution on the WhatsApp. There I will consider. Okay. Send me the solution on the WhatsApp after 2 o'clock. So we are having one more period, 6th period. We will continue in that. Okay. Bye. So next period will start.